Good afternoon, everyone. I was warned that there will be 5 recommendations, but really, this is evidence of the hard work that was carried out during the past 2 days, and I'm very grateful to the participants of the Association of Academies and Societies of Science in Asia, ASSA, and the National Academy of Science and Technology for coming up with this set of resolutions. So on that particular issue, I think one of the first, shall we say, reaction on my part is that we have to do some kind of downscaling for the climate change models that we are using or that has been developed, particularly for climate scenario building, for climate monitoring and observation. As we know, the models that we have at hand are really covering the entire globe or global, and we need to adapt or downscale at our own, at the level of our own country, so that we can have a higher resolution, so to speak, or it will be better adapted to our particular location. And I would like to pay particular attention to the research component of the resolutions because I think this is where the academic bodies or the science societies, the academies, can play a big role. As far as research and development is concerned, it is not only in terms of coming up with models, okay, or in the development of climate resilient ecosystems, but more on the effects and the impact of climate change for the different sectors. And I would like to emphasize that there are many, shall we say, sectors that will be affected or will have a very significant role in the effort to prepare for this climate change phenomenon. And I think one of the issues that we have as far as the Philippines is concerned has something to do with energy security. There are other related issues as far as energy security is concerned, and this brings about other related issues when we talk of energy. For example, the requirement to reduce carbon emissions, okay, and having a competitive energy price are actually two opposing sides of a seesaw. Okay? If we go with low carbon, we predict that our electricity prices will remain high. But all of this can be made possible, of course, if there is a strong collaboration between the Science and Technology Department, the Climate Change Commission, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, and if I may mention, the Commission on Higher Education, because they are the ones who are really shall we say, taking care of the universities, the higher educational institutions. So I think the resolutions that are here should be translated into concrete action. And the reason why I pointed out on specific areas where we are already taking or we are already implementing some programs is that to indicate that there are really many things that we have to do, and we have to put them into action. Our climate change commissioner will probably enlighten us more on this particular topic, but I think the more urgent concern is whether we will ratify the Paris Agreement, and we will have to, well, maybe he's in a better position to talk about that. Thank you very much.